Did you know HighLevel lets you A/B test or split test your funnels all in one place? Split testing is a valuable technique that marketers use to refine their funnels and maximize conversion rates. It enables you to compare funnel versions to see which one performs the best. By measuring the conversion rate over a certain period, you can compare the performance on the different page variations and then use that data to optimize your funnel. Some great use cases could be to use A/B testing on core sales funnels, webinar registrations, or even on a lead magnet funnel. Again, you're able to see which one performs the best and then point the rest of the traffic towards it to improve your conversion rate. All right, let's jump in and see how it works. So you're going to come into your HighLevel sub account, come down to sites in the bottom left, and then come up to funnels. Then you want to pick the funnel that you want to do an A/B or split test. In this case, I'm going to choose this nutrition and wellness one. And then you'll see a page that looks like this. So you first want to pick the page that you want to do the split test on. In this case, I'm going to do it on the home page. And just below that, you'll see this box over here. This is the control page. Right next to it, you'll see a variation page. This means that this is the original page and we wanted to compare it to this version of the page. So if I want to do a split test, it's super simple. All I have to do is create a variation. To do that, I click on create variation over here. Then I have three options: to duplicate the control page, which is this page over here, use an existing page, which when I click it, I'm able to pull a funnel page or a website page or even a webinar page from an existing asset. So you can see I can choose the funnel and then even choose the step. And the same thing goes for a website and a webinar. And then below that, I even have the option to create from blank. In this case, I'm just going to duplicate this page and change it a bit so I can do the test and see which one performs the best. So I'm going to click on duplicate control. And in just a few seconds, you'll see the variation has been created. Now, what's super cool is you can come over to the control page and edit it separately to the variation page. If you click on this edit button, it will open up the funnel builder where you can make an adjustment to this page only, and then the same principle applies to this one. Again, so if you want to test between different subject lines, pictures, colors, anything you want, that's where you will edit them. Then we have this big slider in the middle. You can use the slider to divide the traffic between the two variations that come in on your main URL. So this is the URL of the funnel, but you'll see if I click on this cog button, I have a different path over here, and that one's different to the path on the variation page. You can adjust it and change the name if you would like, and then click on update. And now let's say I want to divide the traffic 50% to this one page and then 50% to the other. All I have to do is drag the slider to 50%, click apply, click OK, and then after it loads, the traffic will automatically be divided between those two pages. And over here, you'll see a mini dashboard of the results of the split test. And there we have it. That's how you split test a funnel inside of HighLevel. And we did it where it's all in one place and super easy to do. So if you're thinking about doing a funnel and you'd like to test it against a different variation, make sure you go try it out today.